What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for being here. For those of y'all who don't know me, my name is Cash, and yeah, we are going to wrap some presents today. I had absolutely no desire to come on here and do this, but I felt like it would be fun for me to actually get a video up this week. So yeah, and since Christmas is Friday, for those of you who celebrate it, yeah, I'm gonna wrap the last few gifts I have, and you guys are gonna follow along with me if you'd like to. Do one thing for me real quick: subscribe so you can see more of my content, and let me know what you think. Comment, like the video, dislike it if you don't like it, do something. Alright guys, here we go. Let's wrap some presents. So yeah, I had to move positions. I was sitting on the floor, and yeah, that just wouldn't work, and my back had started hurting. So yeah, I've only since wrapped the one gift. I didn't miss out on anything. I didn't short y'all on anything. But yeah, so we're gonna get back to the wrapping. I just had to let y'all know I switched positions because I couldn't. My back was killing me sitting on the floor. So, and I probably will be able to do it a little bit better here, sitting at my table. I have you guys have saw me on the floor. You see the same background. I use if y'all can't tell, a camp chair and a folding table to do a lot of the work here because I'm confined. I'm not confined. I have a small space, so I utilize it. I try to utilize it as best as possible. But sitting on the floor was trash. So here we are. All right, guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna wrap the rest of these gifts. Okay guys, so we did it. Well, I did it. I completed the rest of my gifts that I needed to wrap, and I am now putting the last tag on the last gift. I know some of those weren't the greatest gift wrapping jobs, but I don't claim to be a professional rapper or anything, well, gift wrapper or anything. I simply wrap gifts because I have a 7-year-old niece who likes to tear into stuff, and I needed to give her something to tear into. So guys, be sure to like the video if you like the video. Like I said, comment on the video if you want to comment on the video. Tell me how I can improve my gift wrapping skills or anything. And yeah, subscribe. Alright guys, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.